Hello beautiful people, how y'all doing? I hope you're doing good. I am Belinda. Don't mind me. My name is Belinda and I do videos on DIY hair care, hairstyles, wigs, and some other fun things. I like entertainment, so if you like entertainment, you like hair, always stop by on my channel Belinda TV and remember to subscribe. Okay. So today's video is on how to get your hair to be juicy even in this dry, harsh Hamatan weather. Cold, dry. If you don't take care of your hair, it's going to end up being dry, to be breaking. You cannot even comb it. It's too dry. What can we do about it? What can we do about it? It's simple, guys. I got you. So it's simple. All you have to do is moisturize your hair. That is the secret. Moisturize your hair. You don't take that much. You can moisturize with just water, or you can infuse some herbs in the water, some organic ingredients in the water. After you moisturize your hair with water, then you seal it with oil. Light oil is preferable, light like coconut oil, olive oil, all those palm kernel oil, all those light oil is preferable. It's going to keep your hair moisturized and juicy. Can you see that? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.